As Brahmarshi Patriji beautifully said, Ahimsa is the highest Dharma. Let us come together to not just understand Ahimsa, but truly live it every day. This August, let us celebrate freedom in its truest sense, not only for ourselves, but also for the millions of animals who share this planet with us. PSSM Swag presents Ahimsa in Action, an inspiring 11-day plant-based living course in English, guided by Parinitha Patri, founder of PSSM Swag. This course is for everyone: beginners exploring plant-based living, meditators seeking deeper awareness, and conscious individuals who wish to inspire others through compassion. The course begins on August 4th and continues till August 14th. Every session will begin with meditation, followed by Brahmarshi Patriji's inspiring messages, wisdom sharing, expert speaker sessions, meaningful conversations, and interactive Q&A to help you gain practical clarity. Registered participants will also receive exclusive daily handouts based on each session's topic, along with a reflective journal to integrate the learnings into daily life and deepen the journey of conscious living. This is not just another course. It is an opportunity to discover how one simple, compassionate choice can bring more peace into your life and more freedom into the lives of animals. On August 15th, join the special Independence Day Grand Finale as we celebrate the freedom to live consciously, compassionately, and in harmony with all life. Gather your family, invite your friends, and become part of a global community of seekers putting Ahimsa into action. Take a step toward a life rooted in peace, compassion, awareness, and conscious action. Register now.